We're doing a mini fridge haul. I got sent home from work early because I'm sick, if you can't tell because of my voice. And I thought, perfect opportunity to stock up my mini fridge. I've been sick all weekend and didn't get the chance to this weekend. That's when I was planning on doing it. So we're gonna do it now. This is what the inside of her looks like. This is the sodas my mom put in it when she got it for me. I'm not drinking these because they'll make me throw up. This is the chocolate cake my boss got me for my birthday that I haven't ate because, I don't know, I just haven't ate it. And it turns out it actually expired last Thursday, so that's nice. This is all of the healthier stuff I got. I'm gonna put it in this drawer. I'm gonna try to make a little aesthetic, I can't say the fucking word, aesthetic video. I've actually never tried these or these, so I'm hoping they're good because they were expensive. Wow, that's not aesthetically pleasing at all. I think maybe I can put these little ones up here and then I can stack them. Okay. And then I'm trying out this cheese, which I guess can just go here. Maybe not. Never mind. Here. Then I got applesauces. If you don't like these, literally, who even are you? What are you? There's all of those in there. If I recorded all of that, it wasn't gonna be pretty. Now I have all of these drinks that I need to put in there. These are too big, so I think I'm just gonna lay them down like that. Oh my goodness, it's a perfect fit. Now for all of these. I'm gonna speed run this. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna run out of time. Hold on. Okay, there's the fridge part of her all done. So pretty. Now for the freezer. Got these breakfast burritos, more burritos, some sandwiches, some taquitos, and some Eggos. I don't know if this is gonna fit. Let's see. Mission complete.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this,
Let's restock the mini fridge in Ava's bedroom.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could...
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off dead.